In the realm where automotive innovation meets classic ruggedness, a remarkable transformation has taken place with the unveiling of the 1000 HP Hummer H1 Electromod. This electrified behemoth, blending the iconic stature of the Hummer H1 with the cutting-edge technology of Tesla, represents a bold leap into the future of electrification and performance. Originally known for its military-grade toughness and imposing presence on and off the road, the Hummer H1 has undergone a radical metamorphosis courtesy of Zero Labs Automotive. This Los Angeles-based company specializes in transforming classic vehicles into high-performance electric machines, and their latest creation has captured the attention of enthusiasts worldwide. At the heart of this electrified titan lies a Tesla-derived powertrain capable of delivering an astounding 1,000 horsepower. This immense power is harnessed through advanced electric motors and a state-of-the-art battery system, offering instantaneous torque and formidable acceleration that redefines the capabilities of the legendary Hummer H1. The conversion to electric power not only enhances performance but also brings significant environmental benefits. With zero emissions and reduced noise pollution, the 1000 HP Hummer H1 Electromod embodies a sustainable approach to automotive engineering without compromising on the raw power and rugged charisma that define the Hummer brand. Visually, the Electromod retains the distinctive silhouette and robust aesthetics that have made the Hummer H1 an automotive icon. However, subtle modernizations and enhancements accentuate its electrified nature, such as bespoke LED lighting and aerodynamic improvements that optimize efficiency without detracting from its commanding presence. Inside, the Electromod offers a blend of luxurious comfort and advanced technology. Premium materials, bespoke upholstery, and cutting-edge infotainment systems create an inviting cabin that balances classic ruggedness with contemporary refinement. The integration of Tesla's interface ensures seamless connectivity and intuitive control, enhancing the driving experience for both the driver and passengers. Beyond its impressive performance and modern amenities, the 1000 HP Hummer H1 Electromod represents a testament to engineering ingenuity and forward-thinking innovation. It serves as a blueprint for the future of classic car restoration, demonstrating how electrification can breathe new life into beloved automotive legends while pushing the boundaries of what is possible in terms of power and efficiency. Each aspect of the Electromod reflects Zero Labs Automotive's commitment to craftsmanship and sustainability, offering discerning enthusiasts a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history reimagined for the 21st century. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, vehicles like the 1000 HP Hummer H1 Electromod pave the way for a more sustainable and exhilarating future where performance, heritage, and environmental responsibility converge seamlessly. In conclusion, the 1000 HP Hummer H1 Electromod stands as a symbol of innovation and transformation in the automotive world. With its Tesla-powered heart, it not only pays homage to the legacy of the Hummer H1 but also charts a bold new course towards electrified excellence, proving that even the most formidable icons can evolve to meet the demands of a changing world.